What is automated manufacturing? Imagine a factory where skilled operators work in tandem with computer control systems to carry out various tasks in the production process, reducing manual intervention and enhancing production efficiency and quality. Compared to traditional manufacturing, automated manufacturing offers significant advantages: higher production efficiency, superior product quality and consistency, lower operating costs and waste. Numerical control, NC machining, is a vital component of automated manufacturing. It utilizes computer numerical control, CNC technology, to precisely control the movement of machine tools, enabling the machining of parts with intricate geometries. At RT Manufacture, we possess advanced CNC machining equipment and technology, allowing us to provide our clients with high-precision, high-quality parts machining services. With the continuous advancement of technology, automated manufacturing is poised for even broader prospects. Technologies like artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things are propelling the manufacturing industry towards greater intelligence, digitalization, and connectivity. RT Manufacture remains committed to staying abreast of the latest technologies, continuously enhancing our capabilities to provide superior services to our clients. Let's jointly create a brilliant future for the manufacturing industry. For any inquiries regarding automated manufacturing or CNC machining, please do not hesitate to contact us.